Yo, check it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you are here for a very special video. Things are looking good for the meme stocks and cryptocurrency. We're gonna talk about the meme stocks first and then cryptocurrency at the end of this video. We have so many clues showing us that we are seeing something in the meme stocks and something is brewing. We're gonna be talking about all that and more in this video. German markets popping off. We're gonna be talking about the speculation, the facts, the fundamentals, the data, the technicals, and much, much more in this video. So you do not wanna miss a second of this update. I think things are gonna pop off. You guys know I'm not a hype channel, but things are lining up and we are looking good. So let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts and data, because we ride at dawn. Let's go. You are back for another video at DataZero. In this video, we're looking at AMC and GME. We're also going to look at the cryptocurrency markets as well, giving you guys a quick little update to preparing you for tomorrow. Okay, so if you don't know what's going on, if you haven't heard, AMC and GME are rallying in the German market. So right now GME is sitting at about 23.40 at time of recording, sitting at about 23.40, up about 33% in the German markets, and AMC is up about 6% in the German market. So both stocks are up in the German market. So this is something that we want to be aware of, and this is interesting developing news. I also want to show you guys some technicals that we're looking at as well and point out some things that were very, very similar with the setup that we have now and what we're looking at. So let's go ahead and take a look back in time and show you guys what's going on with AMC and GME, giving you guys a little bit of idea of why this is so significant and seeing this move right now. So if you don't know why GME rallied here in after hours, GME ended dilution. We had some news here with GME ending dilution, getting about 9.33.4 million, so 933.4 million, almost $1 billion in revenue. They already had a massive war chest, and it's absolutely crazy that they have this much money. They're also possibly making power plays in the background, because if you haven't watched my last video, which you need to watch, the weekly outlook and prediction, that's going to give you more technicals and fundamentals for SPY and other assets as well. But if you haven't seen what's going on there, they have this, and this is a little bit of speculative, but they have changed the websites on the Bay, which is Hudson Bay, and Toys R Us. The official website has the exact same logo as the GameStop website. Again, this is a little bit of speculation, but GameStop could be making power plays, taking over short companies. Ryan Cohen has actually been known to take these shorted, undervalued companies, turn them around and flip them for a profit. So this is something that he could be doing with GameStop, and GameStop is in a position, they are legally allowed to invest in other companies in the stock market, so they could be definitely making moves with all of that capital. I am very, very interested to see what Ryan Cohen and the board is going to be doing with this. Another speculative thing is maybe they might even start partnering with AMC. We've heard this before in the past, but again, all of these things that I'm talking about is speculation. Right now, we don't have anything concrete, but these logos right here being the same on all three of these websites, Hudson Bay, Toys R Us, and GameStop, all having the same exact logos. And again, with that much money, GameStop could definitely be making moves. GameStop got a pop in after hours. If you didn't know, GameStop got a decent pop in after hours off that moves, and I think GameStop's going to be able to move to the upside. We were seeing bearishness overall. People were asking what's wrong with GameStop. This because they were selling shares, and there was bearishness because of fear of dilution. You can see that we got this pop to the upside here in after hours, and I do think we could possibly see a gap up to the upside. If we see a gap up to the upside, ladies and gentlemen, it is absolutely on tomorrow. Be excited if you see a gap up. Now, it's no guarantee that we're going to see a gap up, but it is exciting because GameStop basically made a bull flag here in after hours, and again, that could pop to the upside here in the market morning or in pre-market. Again, when the market opens or pre-market. So we could definitely see a gap up. It's set up for a gap up. We have this push to the upside and we maintain these levels. We are above this critical of support and resistance of 2150. This is the fractal that I think we will trade. As long as we break above 2150, you should see a pop to the upside as long as we can hold that level of support. We do have this small gap fill to the downside at 1769 to 1741 that we want to be aware of. But ultimately, we have a gap fill to the upside sitting at 71.95 to about $73. So I I do think that gap is going to get filled, and I think both AMC and GameStop are set up to make higher highs than this previous run. Now, I want to go back in time and show you guys something also that is very, very peculiar about the time frame that we are seeing this, and also that the AMC fractal is the same as well. So if you look when AMC ran last time, it was May 27th. After the 3-day holiday on a Tuesday, May 28th, AMC ran. So we have that as well on top of the exact same fractal. You guys can see we pushed to the upside. We are maintaining these elevated levels. What if we are skipped all the way to phase 8? I don't thinking we're there yet. I think what we're actually going to see is AMC push up tomorrow, breaking above $5, going to about $5.20, $5.50, making that peak. And I think that we're going to play out the rest of the fractal and then run up. That's what I'm thinking is going to be happening. But hey, I would love to be wrong to see AMC and GME pop to the upside and run because of this 3-day holiday theory. Again, based off the fractal, what I'm seeing right now, I do believe we're entering phase 4. And to confirm phase 4, all we'd have to do is get to that $5.25, $5.50 level, because that's what we're looking for. We want to make a higher high than phase 3. Phase 3 peaking at about $5.23, so we want to get to $5.25, $5.50. And if you look the highs, it's a little bit significantly higher, so I would more likely want to see $5.50, maybe even a little bit higher if possible for AMC. But if we do see that tomorrow, that is very, very good news. If we see a gap up tomorrow, that is very, very good news. AMC, we need to break above and hold $5. That is the battle for tomorrow, and AMC is primed to set up for that. I think that they might try to battle us. As you guys can see, I think we might have to come back down, retesting this lower level of 486 before getting that pop to the upside. If you look at AMC short shares available to borrow, they are having short shares available to borrow, so they are going to be able to use these to try to push AMC stock down. So we want to be aware of that and pay very close attention of that as they will be trying to use this because cost of borrow is going down. Right now they have 750,000 at time of recording. If we go ahead and look at GME short shares available to borrow, GME short shares available to borrow is sitting at about 700,000 as well. AMC cost of borrow is coming down. We want to see those levels go up again, and we also want to see GME cost of borrow levels go up as well. So this is something we're going to be paying attention to. As the higher the cost of borrow, the better. You guys can see AMC getting a little bit of a green candle here. I'm sitting at about 3.42%. So this did change from the last video. As you guys can see, I told you guys it could change as early as Monday. Cost of borrow slightly going up here on AMC. So that cost of borrow level going up is good. Cost of borrow going up on AMC. And if we go ahead and look at GME cost of borrow is slightly coming down at 2.69%, but we are seeing AMC cost of borrow possibly level out and come back to the upside. So that is good news for AMC. And of course, having them run in the German markets as well. AMC up about 5 or 6%, GME up about 33% in the German markets, working on filling that gap. Right at that resistance on the gap fill. Now, if GME breaks above $30, okay, if GME breaks and holds $30, it's absolutely going to fly. There's going to be a huge gamma ramp there. It's going to see a big push to the upside. But I think both the meme stocks are set up for a higher high than this previous run that we just had. So we just had a previous big push up to the upside for both GME. GME went up to 80. And AMC went up to 13. I think they're going to go higher than that, in my personal opinion. Not financial advice. People are asking me for price targets. Me personally, I'm going to be on the live streams. I cannot tell you guys what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I legally not can tell you what to do. You guys have to make your own decision. But I'm going to be on the live streams telling you guys when I'm taking profits, when I'm looking at as far as technicals, charts, and everything. You guys can look at the charts that I'm looking at and try to determine for yourself, hey, does this seem logical? Does it seem like he knows what he's talking about? Can I do my own due diligence and add this with that? And does this all make sense when I add that all together? And once you do formulate a plan on your own accord, you guys can make moves. But I'm going to be on the live streams each and every day, so make sure you tune in. I stream market open to market close. They're going to be lit. They're going to be popping. You got to join the family as well. Great community. Absolutely crazy community. So if you want to be a part of that, hit that like button and subscribe. I will be live tomorrow as normal once the markets open back up, but I think we are in store for something exciting for the meme stock. So this is pretty much everything I have for you guys, again, that we're popping in the German markets. Really just set up for something really historical here as far as the fractal is concerned. I want to see if we confirm phase 4. I would love to be wrong and just be like, hey, this is phase 8 and we take off, because of the theory that we did rally here on May 27th into the 28th. If you go ahead and look back in time, you can actually see here on the bottom of your screen, we had that rally right around that time in 2021. Also, something to pay attention to as well, OBV sitting at all-time highs on the weekly time frame for AMC. That means more people are holding than ever. And if you look at the monthly volume for AMC, it's absolutely insane. Monthly volume sitting at 2,200,000,000. Okay, something is coming for the meme stocks. All right, something is coming. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a moon channel. There's just too many technicals telling me that something is coming. There's just too many things going on. I think we're about to pop off, ladies and gentlemen. The weekly Bollinger Band's constricted. We're above the blue medium line. We have green weekly MACD. This thing's about to blast off. This thing's about to blast off, man. It's about to blast off. We also have buy signals here on the daily time frame as far as the super trend is concerned. So GME dilution over. Something's about to happen. Not financial advice. As far as price targets are concerned, we do have the gap fills to the upside, but I'm going to be looking at technicals and just trying to determine the top from there using the methods that I use. But we do have this gap fill at $37 to $43, which would be a logical place to run up to. And if I put the fractal up and line it up exactly, that's where the fractal takes us to about that $37 to $40 level after we see the second push to the upside. And again, this is exactly what we did in 2021. We had a big push to the upside for AMC, stayed elevated, and that's the key because the shorts get trapped, and then we had a second move. Same time frames, same fractal, same price action, cat system, volume's crazy. I think we're set up. So just a quick update here on the cryptocurrency market, and then I'm going to wrap up this video. If you found it informative, please go ahead and drop a like. Cryptocurrency is pumping. I think crypto's set up for a crazy move. If you don't know what's going on with that, Ethereum exchange spot ETF was approved. So we will be looking at that. It probably won't be trading till later in this year. But once it does start trading, it's going to be crazy. Ethereum has a burn rate, so they're constantly subtracting from the supply. So adding demand, if we get anything even close to what the Bitcoin ETFs are pulling off, it's going to make Ethereum go crazy. Also, Ethereum holding these levels, I think this is where institutions are buying to start their spot ETF. So this could become the floor. I think Ethereum and Bitcoin are set up to rocket, honestly. I don't want to be wrong because it could be devastating if they do have a big correction, but I think the cryptocurrency market is actually set up for a huge move. We've been talking about crypto summer. We've been talking about a crypto bull run way back when everybody was telling you guys crypto was going to crash. I said, no, this is the time to accumulate, this time to buy, and it's paid off, and I think it's going to pay off even more, especially with the bullish fundamentals that we have coming out, and then of course these technicals holding these key levels, breaking back above 69.2k, bull flag breakout after this big run up, bull flag breakout, weekly MACD curling back to the upside, monthly MACD still green, buy signal on the weekly time frame still, buy signal on the monthly time frame still. I don't think this bull run is done for crypto, and as you can see, we're holding 69.2k as support right now as we speak with the buy signal on the hourly time frame. Crypto is bullish. Bitcoin going up is going to help. Ethereum's going up is going to help because the dominance is so high. That's going to help your favorite altcoins pop off. Once Bitcoin starts to range out and meet a top, that's when altcoin season will really start to kick off. Once Bitcoin makes another pop to the upside, and especially the halving has already happened, and normally we make all-time highs after the halving. So I'm very, very excited about the crypto market. As far as SPY is concerned, I did call for a red week this week. It does look like crypto's popping, so we could see SPY try to push up a little bit here on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm thinking we're going to see bullishness, but then we'll probably see a pullback in the later half of the week. As far as the calendar is concerned, we do have Thursday GDP growth, and that's going to be huge. Looks like it's going to coming out low, which should be bad for the market. And then we have core PCE and personal income spending month over month. this is going to be a huge data set. That's on Friday and Thursday. GDP on a Thursday, and then core PCE, personal income month-over-month, and personal spending month-over-month on a Friday. Going to cause some volatility, 3-star data set, so it's going to be causing volatility. I'm thinking GDP should help cause a pullback, in my personal opinion. So that's why I'm saying in the later half of the week, we'll see a pullback Tuesday, and then Wednesday, you might see some bullishness, but I think maybe Thursday, Friday, we'll start to see a pullback, giving us an overall red week, in my personal opinion. So, guys, this is everything I have for you with this video. If you found this video informative, please drop a like and press subscribe for more content like this. And I appreciate you if you guys watch this on the live stream. I actually did record this on the live stream. So you can either watch this on the VOD, or you can go ahead and check out the video. If you did watch it on the live stream, I would appreciate it if you would just go ahead and click the video. You don't have to watch the whole video, but if you just go ahead and click a like, maybe even leave a comment, that would help out greatly. And as always, man, I appreciate you guys. You guys have been crazy with the support lately. I'm so happy to have each and every one of you in this community. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like and leave a comment as well, and press that subscribe button because it does help out. Drop some rockets in the chat if you want to see meme stocks pop and crypto moon, and let me know what you think about the meme stocks. Do you think all of these things lining up mean anything? Do you think that anything is about to pop off from technicals or fundamentals on your own research or due diligence? Let me know in the comments down below things that you guys are noticing as well. I think we are setting up for something truly special, but we will see. We ride at dawn tomorrow, so ladies and gentlemen, be ready. I will be live, so tune in, be there or be square. And I appreciate it if you watch the end of the video. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know you watch to the end. Drop some rockets, and as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.